When you slap on a Sawicki Speed product, you've committed to a life of loud. We celebrate the individuals living their lives at the highest volume. The ones not only boiling the tires off their rides, but the ones brave enough to stand up and be counted based on merit more than marketing. We dedicate what we do to the wild ones that see the hard way as an opportunity. The ones that use the naysayers as motivation. The ones testing their own boundaries just to see how far they can go. Because of you, we're louder together. Join us at SawickiSpeed.com.